Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956. All you need to know about adoption and maintenance under Hindu law. Part 2. What is maintenance? It is basically a financial support paid by a husband or a father that cover all basic necessities of life. Maintenance can provide for food, clothing, shelter, education, and medical expenses. Maintenance of wife. The wife must be paid maintenance after divorce until she gets married again. There is no minimum or the maximum amount fixed for maintenance. It is to be decided by the court according to the earning capacity of the husband. When is the wife entitled to maintenance? Section 18(2) of the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act provides a list stating when a wife will be entitled to maintenance. As per the section, a wife can live separately from her husband and still have the right to claim maintenance in the following situations. The husband has deserted his wife by abandoning her without any reasonable cause and without seeking her consent or deliberately ignoring her wish. The wife has been subject to cruelty during her marriage and considers living with her husband to be endangering her life. If the husband is suffering from an incurable and contagious disease. The husband has another wife or a mistress in the same house, or he lives with another wife or mistress at some other place. The husband has converted to some other religion or some other reasonable grounds that can justify why the wife should live separately. Maintenance of widowed daughter-in-law. A husband is liable to pay maintenance to his wife after they get divorced. However, if the husband is dead, it is the obligation of his father to pay maintenance to his daughter-in-law. Section 19 of the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act states the same, but the father-in-law shall only be liable to pay maintenance if his daughter-in-law has no sources of income, she has no property to sustain herself on her own. If she has some property, it is insufficient to meet her basic expenses. But the obligation will end if she gets remarried. Maintenance of children. A Hindu is also bound, during his or her lifetime, to maintain his/her legitimate or illegitimate children. A legitimate or illegitimate child may claim maintenance from his or her father or mother so long as the child is minor. Amount of maintenance. There is no fixed amount for maintenance that shall be paid. It is at the discretion of the court to determine the amount of maintenance. Section 23 of the Act states that while deciding the amount of maintenance to be awarded to a wife, children, or old and infirm parents, the court must do so considering the following: status of parties and their current position, the claims of the parties within reasonable limits, all sources of income of the claimant and the value of their property, the number of people that are entitled to be maintained. Any other relevant fact and circumstance. Thank you for watching. If you like the information, then share this video with your friends. Please support us by subscribe our YouTube channel and do not forget to like the video. If anyone have any problem related to any topic, then they can tell us in comment section below.